loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. I hope that you are ready for holidays this year. I'm sure your look will not be complete without this hairstyle, so let's get started. We'll begin with making a very high ponytail. Now you want to loosen your top, creating a nice volume. Then you want to grab a section from the ponytail and wrap it around it, tucking the ends into the elastics at the back like I'm showing, and then grabbing two grips you want to fix it in place, creating a nice volume of this twisted section. Now you want to grab two small sections on both of the ponytail, tie them both together using a clear elastic, twist them, creating a topsy tail. You want to hold it with one hand, and then with another one you want to fan out the twist, creating a nice curly shape of our bun like so. Then you want to grab another two sections from this side and make your second topsy tail. You want to repeat the steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. At this point, you want to grab the ends and tie them both together using a clear elastic as well, but on last time make sure to pull it only halfway through, like so. Then you want to twist it inside and pin it in place with two bobby pins, crisscrossing them so it will stay secure. Now you want to use some spray if you have baby hair like I do, and smoothing it out and hide the ends underneath the bun. Now you want to fix your bun from the sides using grips or bobby pins. Use some hairspray and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this holiday hairstyle. Guys, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.